People evacuating from the coastal counties have made their way to the upstate after leaving their homes and everything else behind.
And doors are being opened to help families, even church congregations in this situation. 7 News reporter Nicole Ford is in Spartanburg tonight with more on the warm welcome they're receiving. Hey, Nicole.
Hey, Amy, Gordon. Well, evacuations can be frustrating and sometimes costly, so we took a closer look at some affordable options for evacuees to stay right here in the upstate. We talked to one woman in Greenville County who's opening her home while a church right here in Spartanburg County is opening their doors.
Yeah, you having a good morning?
Wake up at the cottage on Old Oaks Farm.
If you look out your kitchen window, you see belted Galloway cows in the background and Paris Mountains.
This home is a welcome sight for evacuees escaping the storm looming over their own homes on the coast.
We're both retirees from the teaching profession, which I see as a helping profession, so this is something we can do.
Martha Dolge and her husband have used their cottage as an Airbnb in Greenville County for the last 2 years and are offering it up for free through the open house program.
You want to help, and often there's not much you can do. And we thought this is something we can do because I think being away from your home, not knowing what's happening, not knowing the condition it's in, is terribly stressful. So we thought this is something we can do.
They aren't the only ones opening their doors.
She called about 7 in the morning. She said, we have to leave, we have to leave. I said, why? They're coming this way. I said, it was Monday.
Raquel Harajo Penne is the pastor of a church in Goose Creek. Most of their members fell into the evacuation zones in North Charleston and had nowhere to go.
They contacted us about the weather and needed a place to go, and we told them to pack up and come on, that we had plenty of room.
Now Blessed Hope Bible Church in Moore is full from top to bottom with members of the Goose Creek Church, a true sign of one small church lending a hand to another.
They told bring some blanket, bring some pillows, bring everything, but we're so happy because really it was not what we expect.
Now the Blessed Hope Bible Church says that they're anticipating a few more evacuees to come in from Charleston tonight. As for how long they'll be here, they say they anticipate them to head back home around Friday or Saturday, but they're welcome to stay as long as they need it. We're live in Spartanburg County tonight. Nicole Ford, 7 News.